Hi, Chef and Sean. What are you eating? What are you eating?
I'm eating a cantaloupe ice cream.
Can you do a commercial for it, Chef? Come on. Do the commercial.
Well, this is a lemon server.
Yeah. Sean, do the commercial for it. How much did it cost? How good is it?
It's for free.
Free? How do you get it for free?
And it's as good as you can get $1 million.
$1 million. How much is yours, Chef?
Maybe just a little bit of money.
A little bit of money, huh? All right. See you later. Take a bite. Let me see how good it is. See your expression. Oh, yeah. Like that.
Tastes a little bit sour and a little sweet, but it's really good.
Perfect.